Welcome to this comprehensive overview of Ampleforth, a groundbreaking protocol in the cryptocurrency space. Ampleforth, or AMPL, is a digital asset with a unique twist. It operates on an elastic supply mechanism. Unlike most cryptocurrencies that experience high volatility due to price fluctuations, Ampleforth adjusts its circulating supply daily based on demand. This means that when demand increases, so does the supply, and when demand decreases, the supply contracts. This innovative approach makes AMPL less correlated with other cryptocurrencies, providing an ideal hedge for your portfolio. Upon visiting the website, you'll notice a sleek design that emphasizes transparency and data-driven insights. Start by exploring the homepage, where you can find real-time metrics such as market cap, total supply, and price trends. These statistics are essential for understanding how AMPL responds to market conditions. Navigate to the Protocol section to dive deeper into the mechanics of Ampleforth's elastic supply system. Here, you'll find resources explaining reversing, which is the daily adjustment of supply. It's fascinating to see how these adjustments maintain AMPL's equilibrium and utility as a stable but dynamic asset in the crypto ecosystem. If you're interested in integrating Ampleforth into your DeFi strategies, check out the ecosystem page. It provides a detailed overview of platforms and wallets that support AMPL, including options for staking, lending, and trading. The simplicity of connecting your wallet to Ampleforth-compatible platforms ensures a seamless user experience. Now, did you know that your digital assets can generate passive income? While exploring crypto platforms, it's worth considering options like earning up to 12% APR on your USDT with platforms such as Nexo. Just transfer your USDT to the platform and enjoy daily accruals, making your investments work for you. Sign-up link and bonus for new users is in the description. As you browse through the Ampleforth website, you'll notice the project's emphasis on building a decentralized, non-dilutive financial ecosystem. This is evident in their collaborations with top blockchain platforms and their robust community governance model. By actively participating in Ampleforth's governance, users can vote on key proposals, contributing to the protocol's continuous evolution. Ready to explore Ampleforth and revolutionize your crypto journey? Visit their site, explore their features, and learn how this elastic supply asset can transform your portfolio. Don't forget to use my link https://lnk.do/jquucoif to sign up and claim your bonus for new users. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more detailed crypto guides.